Here's to going even when you don't want to go. To moving forward when you're uncomfortable, to stepping up when you're fearful. Here's to courage.
Even when you're scared, you got to put in the work if you want results. Let me give a shout out to Raphael for making multiple $6 sales with using the Lead Lightning system. So with Lead Lightning, you make unlimited $6 commission. It's a one-time $7 system. What this system does, it's ready to go, already done for you. Perfect for beginners and busy marketers. It promotes itself, the system, and it also promotes your main offer, whatever you want to promote. You have a coaching program, you have a affiliate business, you have an MLM business. You put the link inside of this system, and this system is going to send out emails already done for you, promoting the system and promoting your business. And as you can see, Raphael is bringing in those $6 commissions. Now, how many signups he getting in his primary, I don't know, but I'm showing this just to show the system actually works. Some people buy traffic, some people use organic marketing, just like the one you're seeing right now. And it's all about you making a decision to take action on yourself moving forward. But if you're in affiliate marketing, MLM, online business, this system will help you promote it. You giving them a system that is very simple to promote. You're not promoting your main offer. You're promoting something that's going to help them in their business, right? You make a little money up front. So even if they don't join your business, you still profit. You use a low cost, valuable offer that other people can actually use for what they want. I'm in Exitus Elite. There's no other opportunity I want to look at. I don't even know what's out there no more, right? You know, I see other people make commissions in other businesses and all that, but it goes over my head. Oh, congratulations, I'm set. So I use this on the front end. I know everybody don't want to join Exitus, but people do want to build their business. So let me give them value. Let me give you something. Let me share something that can help you. So listen, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty. See you in the next one.
When you stop doing the wrong thing, it feels like a breath of fresh air. Like a step back to leap forward. Those decisions create a more fulfilled life. But those times I stopped because, I let the moment get bigger than my end goal.